from me, Reverend Kofi Obobi, the outgoing Kwahu Presbytery Chairperson. No cranny, one of my objectives, I may be there in to train to develop human resource. Engineer say near war, catechism for be na one core training caretakers. Into a bomb modern say between me at so substantially. Into a non idea back in at a glance. Normally in care year, local so necessary would train one, but Presbytery Father Ton also be train one. So we pushed about 51 catechists at a go. Emma won you now cover radiat won you now the other part, other side also was to lands. Any idea what have a bree, net the whole follow. And we acquired a tractor and they started to put the land into use. And agriculture has become a very big program during the past 5 years now. Young mango farm here, maybe that yeah, Triaso, Yakotias, about 1 acre land. And also, yet a dear brew, a few in a dear over 30 acres of banchi. We are hoping, say, a beboa, my presbytery, no, and yen, as to me, you may say, these are among others that we are trying to also to revive the various groups, clan groups, and send a bit to me at Nas and to me, many youthful phone, especially to encourage them, motivate them to move along. Kwahu Presbytery, send our kind, we are blessed in terms of education, from cradle to the top. From nursery Kokosi University in Nebuaha. You were health institutions, you were clinic, you were one of the biggest hospitals, Don Cockroom, and also we have other health institutions along the front plains. Nini now were young ha, boying. And until Kwahu Presbytery we are blessed. Na Sanya a tenant sono, say Kwahu Presbytery baby groups are who be taba, wobba. One annual programs. Into a year, you host conference upon conference. Men can say, yeah, so for me for a bit 50 years ago, and year. At the same time, we also we hosted the 2025 educational consultation over here, and so programs keep on coming and coming and coming. So Kwahu has become something like a Saturday of the Presbyterian Church. Most of the activities in Taba. In Tunya Bedu Kwahu did. Trust me, you are here to see and receive more and more guests of the church over here. And that makes it a unique place. And because of the training school of ministers and catechists here, commissioning services are done here. Sometimes twice on a row in any given particular. So Kwahu dear, Kwahu ya Kwahu, Kwahu ya Bakope, and your friends. And tell me that say, hi, very serious and very always ongoing activities waha ebuama it will say basre wahankasa. I've loved staying here. Apart from being chairperson for 5 years, I've been in the presbytery for 10 years. 5 years as a district minister. First 4 years were on Kwahu as the district minister, then 1 year at Kwahu Tafo, and then 5 years as the presbytery chairperson. And Kwahu has been a very wonderful place, and the people are very wonderful. I love them. Even though I'm going away, I still remember them. The cool weather, their hospitality, their love, and then the cooperation that I received from the church members. It's been so nice living here for the past 10 years. But they've been of much help to me. In fact, I've benefited more from them than they have from me. Because in every situation, they rally themselves in support of me, and then that has brought me up to this point that I'm here. And to me, for distant members, they've been of much help to me.